Hey folks, welcome back to the program. This is Chris in Uppington in the Northern Cape, and I'm kind of excited. Been waiting 3 years to do this interview. 3 years. I'm here with a very interesting lady, Oma Katerina Esau. First, Oma, I want to say bye-bye, donkey. Thank you for your time. It's a real pleasure to meet you. So I've waited a long time to meet you. You're a very interesting person. And I presume by now that you know that because a lot of people have been interviewing over the past few years. If I understand the story correctly, what happened is that many years ago, I think in the 1990s, people thought that your language had died. No one spoke it anymore. Someone put a call out. I don't know if it was in the newspapers or if it was on radio. And they asked if anybody spoke this language. And if I read the news correctly a few years ago, at least 300 or so people came forward and said they spoke it.
Not 300.
No, not 300.
It was 30.
30.
Yeah, 30. And it was not in the newspapers also. It was linguists from Cape Town, Namibia. And so they came to the Kalahari to search for the people that speak Zulu. And they found the first Oma. It was Oma Elsie Falboy. She was the one that they found and asked her to, if she know other speakers and so. And they recorded Oma Elsie.
Ja, donc, meneer ons haal maar af.
Yeah.
Stop maar.
I think you can take it off. You stop now, because she switched up
Ja,
her
stop
car.
maar. Alle praat maar, dieselfde taal vir my is my taal.
And then they do the recording and go to the other news speakers. Maybe they heard about Oma Katerina, and then they play the recording to Oma Katerina. And then Oma Katerina said, yeah, but my cousin can also speak, my sister. And that's how they found them.
But just 30 people.
Yes, not 300.
Ja, het was like a young man, a Engelse young man, wat ook oorgekom het van buitenland af, Nigel Krol. En hy het vir ons so opgevang. Hy het 'n oom gekry hier in die dorp. Toe sê hy vir die oom, Elsie se broer se swaarste seun, vir hom gesê, hy moet die nuussprekers soek. En nou, toe is die anders al daar. Toe kry hulle vir my, toe kry hy Willem Falboy vir my. En toe vra hy, hier is 'n wit man, hy soek Boesmans, kan taal praat. Dus ek nog skam om die taal te praat van, die mense het mens nog gesê, die taal is dood, so ons moet nie die taal praat nie. Nou, toe wil ek nie praat nie. Toe sê ek, nee man, ek praat die taal nie. Ek praat die Boesman taal nie. En die man lag.
So my question, Oma, is when the linguist came and asked about the language, were you excited or surprised?
Ek was opgewonde.
Nou, ek is bly, hulle vertel vir my wonderlike dinge. Hulle vertel vir my hoe hulle wil hê die Boesmans moet bymekaar kom en Boesmans moet praat oor die hulle eie taal.
Want my suster is by my, niggie is by. Ek vra vir hulle, wat soek julle? Nee, jy moet kom, jy moet saam met ons gaan. Want hulle sê ook, die blanketje is ook hier, hy kom vat ons na ons oom toe, Keimus toe. En ek sê, ja, nou, wacht, okay, is alright. Maak vir my, was nou nog uit, hy CD's gehad, hy kleintjies, speel hem, opname. En ons luister, as ons hoor, nee, dat is onze taal, ons verstaan. Van Elsie, praat die taal pronk uit.
Maar toe hier, kon wan, jy ken my, ka toe ja jy usiku. Want, nou ook een koe.
Het is van Nigel gevra, wat soek julle by my? Soek julle taal, wil julle vir my doodmaak? Nou luister ons, nou sê ons mekaar, toe, om Elsie in kwa.
Listen, what is Elsie saying?
Nou daar het Nigel ook een video van ons gemaakt. Nou my oom is ook excited. Nou sê my oom, hey, hi, maar ek verstaan mys vandag, dis onze taal hierdie. Ons sê, goede man, sê, ik ga kijken. Kijk toe, goede hoe hij zei, ja, naartoe.
Then my uncle speaks in Jew and he asked, did you hear everything? And he said, yes, I hear everything.
And understood it all. So, Oma, I apologize, but you should never ask a lady her age. But I'm going to do that now. So I understand that if I'm correct, you're 89. If that is correct, when did you first meet the linguist to talk about your language?
Correct age is 92.
92.
Yeah.
92. No. Really? No, she carries it very well. You carry it very well. 92.
Ja, dan denk ek was so in die 60 nog.
Yeah. When we first
60,
started
70.
with the
Had you not spoken the language since you were a child, or did you speak it occasionally?
Ons het taal gepraat op 16, 17. Ons het taal gepraat. Maar in daai tyd, toe begin ons het nog kinders gewees, nog klein. Toe begin jou boer van ons te sê by die werk. So ons werk toe gaan. Wat se taal praat julle hier so? Julle moet nie hierdie taal praat, dis lelike taal hierdie. Dat sê my ma, vat, beer my ma al vir ons brood. Dat sê my ma vir ons brood. Sê my ma, gaan huis toe. Toe speel by die huis. Meneer kom praat die, hoor hier so, die ou baas. Sê julle moet nie hierdie taal praat nie. Gaan huis toe loop, sê as julle in die huis. So hier loop ons. Ons is so 6, 7, 8. Ons is daai ouderdom. Nou loop praat ons weer. Loop gesels ons weer ons taal. Maar toe is nou so groter geword. So al sê die mense van ons, julle moet nie hierdie taal praat nie. Die breinmense ook, my cousin. Jong, wat se taal praat julle? Hulle praat die taal nie. Hoe praat julle hierdie lelike taal? Julle moet nie so lelik praat nie. En so het hulle van ons afgebreek ook van die taal. En so het ons later nie meer die taal gepraat nie. Ons praat as by die huises. Maar as ons loop, ons gaan nou tussen die mense. Die praat net Afrikaans.
Oma, let me ask you another question. The children's book. Where did the idea come from? Was it your idea to write a book, or did someone ask you to write the book, or who was behind it?
Ek het ook gevoel om die boek te skryf, maar een vrou wat nou ook vir ons gewerk het, saam met die skool en so, sy het gesê ons moet 'n boek maak vir die kinders. As ek eendag oud is, ek kan meer praat of so, of ek gaan doen.
What's it like as you became older, suddenly becoming famous, or sort of famous? People know who you are. I mean, I'm an American. I know who you are.
Daar de man in Amerika. Die man het die boek gekry.
He has that book.
In Amerika.
Okay. And he learns from this book.
yes.
Ja.
May I say it?
In Amerika. En hy ding is, hy praat altyd met Claudia.
He talks to you as well.
Nou sê hy vir Claudia, kan ek met jou ouma praat? Mama, ouma praat die Engels, sê hy nou praat met jou ouma die taal wat ek hier praat. Daai middag toe kom Claudia van die werk af. Claudia sê, ma, ouma hier is 'n man wat met jou praat uit Amerika. Hy het gesê, so tyd wil hy met ma praat. Sê ek, ja, nou dat hy praat. Dan hoor hoe praat hy. En daai hy toe bel Claudia, my ouma is nou hier, ek kan maar praat. En sê Claudia met die phone. Toe hy groet, sê, oh, ouma, goeie.
That's nice. That's
Sê,
lovely.
goeie. Toe vra hy weer vir my, het jy kaba? Sê, na kaba. Het jy kaba? Sê, na kaba. Toe vra ek vir hom, wat is jou naam? Waar bly jy? Hy sê, na Amerika. Ek sê, no, ek kan nie die gaan doen. Hy sê vir my, by jou boek.
Learn from the book.
From this book.
Yeah.
Is this the book that she wrote? I thought it was a different one.
Now the other one, the
Children's book.
one is,
This is a language book to learn. Yes. So, Oma, your granddaughter is trying to help keep the language alive.
Ek was trots op haar, baie trots.
Very, okay.
Maar ek wil nie gehad dat hy met man vat aan kinders kry. Ek het 10 kinders, my kinders. Maar nie een praat nie. Alles op haar het ook gesê, ek moet nie sy kinders die lelike taal leer nie. En toe was het nog in die tyd, wat die mense nie wil die taal leer nie, toe is die taal al dood die tyd. Nou sy is my laaste dogter,
my baby daughter's daughter.
sy kind. Sy kom praat die taal, sy kom leer die taal aan my kinders nie. Ek sal nou vir meneer sê, Obingu, ek wil nie, laat jy sien of hy verstaan. Luister net, na dogotawa kutroa, kutrito, na dogotawa kutroiki. Aku, ook jere, tu, nu, kutroa, nu, su. Parang kutroiki kutroiki.
I think it's something to do with my husband don't want my children to speak the new. That's why they can't even hear it or speak it. Yeah?
Okay, so not bad, not bad.
I think she
But
must stop now.
she doesn't want it to be too difficult for her.
Ja.
Yeah, give it a stop.
Nou, kutrotawa, kutrito.
That's why I don't want her to take her husband.
So she can focus on the language.
Yeah.
Kutroiki nie ngwana.
Take 3 kinders.
Nou, kutroiki, kutroika.
Ja, die kinders leer.
They are. They learn. Okay, good.
Kutroiki kaka, kutroika, kutroika. Ja, go kyang, na halang na jike. Nahalan ako. Aking, marang halan ako. Ako tuweke.
Kom.
Is that your child?
Likes, that's a baby.
Okay. Hello.
Saan ko man kaya?
Kijk. Moontje. Taket papa.
Come on over here.
Kwang aking kinkuhan kaya. Wang kaya.
Taket papa. Na papa. Taket ka.
Wow.
Katike purukuti. Jadun nga school kuya. School dunjai. Da daga ka school. Da daga ka school. Ayo.
Well done. What's his name?
Sia.
Sia.
It means come.
Oh, really? Okay.
And my daughter's name is Namkusi. I saw you come.
Beautiful.
Ang may namas na ako
And
siya.
her name is Namkusi. Oma's name is Namkusi. And Oma's mother's name is Namkusi. And my only daughter's name is Namkusi.
And Nankusi, what does that mean?
Ayusin ko.
Will you be writing another book for the children?
Kwag.
Of course. Of course. We're going to write a lot of books. The Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture said, Yo, Oma, now is your time to write books. Before you take your last breath, we want books.
Ek wil meer so praat die manier. Hy het my gisteraand gesê van julle. Sê ek wil nie meer mense hê nie. Ek is moeg.
This is the problem with fame.
Dit is die probleem as jy famous is.
Oh, maar as ek dink, ek het 2 susters. Die een agter my, nie agter my nie, is die kleintjie, maar is nou net ek, is net ons 3 wat lewe. Nou die een, hier is ek, hierdie een, sy praat ook so. Maar sy wil nie so gesels, so praat nie. As ek so dink, ek wil nie meer so met die mense praat en so nie. Maar ek dink ek, hy was lang weg. En daar is mense wat nie kan meer praat nie. Daar dink ek nie, solank ek hom kan praat.
I'm an American, so we learn English. But my ancestors, of course, come from Europe, and some were German. So I had to learn German all on my own after growing up not knowing it. That loss of your culture from the language is difficult.
Maar, solank ek nog oeie,
As long as I love,
na si kwaadjie,
ek sal praat.
na nou ga.
Oma, again, I want to thank you. This has been a special privilege for me to get a chance to talk to you.
Ja.
Are you
Jy was
surprised?
gelukkig.
Oh, sorry.
Nog vir my so kom kry. En ek is bly daarvoor. Ken na konya.
I'm also happy to have you what you.
It's very kind of you. One last question. Are you surprised that someone from so far would be interested?
Nee, na konya. Na konya mas doy kanya. Hey, ang kajuhong hauru. Ang sang.
I'm happy that people come from so far to see me. But yeah, I'm used to it.
It's used to it now. What? Because you're a celebrity.
Yeah.
Yes, a celebrity. Bye, donkey.
As 'n plesier. As 'n plesier vir my. As 'n reg plesier vir my. Mense so ver vir my kom. As jy hoor, mense word jaloers. As hulle, wat 'n ou vrou is hierdie? Bushman vrou. Die mense kom van ver en vir hom kom sien. Ja, en ek sê net,
They should be jealous.
Ek is trots oor my taal.
Pride.
My taal.
You should be proud of your taal.
So ek sê ook dankie dat die Here vir julle so veilig gebring het tot hier toe. En vir my te sien. Ek het vir julle gesien.